and girls, this is Amanda here joining you outside, and I wanted to give you an update on all the plants that we planted a few weeks ago in our gardening videos. If you remember, we talked about this plant as the stem and the leaves to the plants. This is our tomato plant, and it's grown really big. And right here are two little yellow flowers that we'll see that if I keep watering them, they'll turn into big, juicy tomatoes. Isn't that exciting? Then our other seeds that we planted that some of you boys and girls got to plant are our marigolds. Look how good those marigolds are growing. Now I'm going to have to do something with our peas called transplant and take them out of this pot and put them in a bigger pot so they can grow. And then we have some watermelon seeds. Do we see them right there? And then look at how good our pumpkins are growing. Now remember, it says 120 days for our pumpkins to grow, so that's why farmers plant them in the summer, so they'll be ready by the fall. Our 4 o'clocks, I'm hoping to give them some more water and see if they'll grow. And the same thing with our sunflowers. I'm hoping to give them more water and see if they'll grow. And here's my flower that I put in a pot. I've been giving it water, but it's just not having any luck. So I hope you've had better luck with that. Now I've had so much fun planting all of these plants that I decided to add 2 more plants to my garden up here. This plant right here is very tall. It kind of looks like the tomato plant, but it's a special plant that keeps mosquitoes from coming and biting us. And this plant over here is my lavender plant. As you can see, they're starting to grow. They're going to make big purple flowers. So I hope to give you another update soon. Hope you've enjoyed planting. Bye, boys and girls.